In today's video, I am going to show you how to create a fake Telegram account with virtual phone number. Therefore, without wasting any of your time, let's jump to the video. If you want to create an account on Telegram without providing your original phone number, then what you have to do is to open your internet browser and in the search bar type TEMPSMSS. Click on search. Now if you scroll down, you will see some country flags here. These are the countries of which you can use the phone number to create your fake Telegram account. So select any one country and click on this option that says free country name number option. I'll go with USA. Again scroll down. These are the virtual phone numbers that you can use to create your fake Telegram account. So select any one phone number and click on this receive SMS option. Now click on this copy phone number option. Once you have copied your phone number, all you have to do is to open your Telegram and paste the phone number there. Once you have entered the phone number there, Telegram will send a OTP code for verification. And in order to receive that verification code, you will be required to come back to this page and click on this refresh to view latest SMS option. Once you have done that, in this inbox section, you will receive the OTP code. And once you have received the code, all you have to do is to copy it and paste it on Telegram. Once you have done that, your account on Telegram will be created without providing your original phone number. In this way, you can make a fake Telegram account using a virtual phone number. So that was it for this video, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.